This video shows how the Week 1 basis and the temporary Week 1 basis of PAYE is calculated. What is a Week 1 basis? A Week 1 basis is the opposite of the cumulative basis. No tax credits or standard rate cut-off points are carried forward from one pay period to the next. Each week is dealt with in isolation. It is for that reason that an employee will not receive a tax refund while they're on a Week 1 basis of PAYE. The reasons why revenue may put an individual on a Week 1 basis are: if an employee commences employment during a tax year after being self-employed for part of the tax year, the revenue will allocate tax credits and cut-offs to the employee on a Week 1 basis from their start date in PAYE employment to the end of the year. If the previous earnings or tax situation for the employee for a previous tax year is unclear, or maybe it's a case that they have underpaid tax in a previous year, revenue will reduce their tax credits and reduce their cut-off points and put them on a Week 1 basis of PAYE until their situation is clarified, and then they may transfer them to a cumulative basis of PAYE. And another scenario would be if the employee's tax credits are reduced during the year, to avoid an underpayment occurring, revenue would put them on a Week 1 basis for the remainder of the tax year. When an employee is on a Week 1 basis and is subsequently issued with a cumulative cert, the cumulative basis will be applied for the whole year. This will result in the whole tax year being recalculated in the first week the cumulative basis or the cumulative cert is applied. Temporary Week 1 basis. A temporary Week 1 basis should be operated when an employee commences your employment and provides you with a P45 relating to his previous employment. The P45 may relate to the current tax year or to the previous tax year. Once a new employee provides a P45, this means there's no need to operate an emergency tax basis. The new employer has the responsibility to apply the tax credits and the cut-off points as detailed on the P45, but they must also apply the Week 1 basis of tax. Note this is only a temporary precautionary measure until revenue returns a cumulative certificate. Therefore, the new employer returns Part 3 of the P45 to revenue, and that's their way of notifying revenue that this employee is now in their employment. Revenue will send a P2C, or in other words a certificate of tax credits, for this employment on the basis of PAYE directed by revenue on the P2C must be applied. For additional exercises, refer to the course manual and use the tax deduction card templates provided. For more information on QQI Level 5 and Level 6 payroll awards, contact GPA Solutions at www.gpasolutions.com.